everyone, so today I am going to be reviewing this Shop-Vac 6-gallon ultra quiet wet dry vacuum. This was sent to me by the company to try out. Okay, so what you get with this is the vacuum itself. You do get this 7-foot hose. You get 2 extension ones. You get the round brush. You get a utility nozzle, a floor nozzle, and a crevice tool. You get this cartridge filter. You get a foam sleeve. You get a filter bag, and it also came with this tool holder. So what I like is you're getting several attachments for a variety of cleaning jobs right out of the box. So the floor nozzle works well for a larger surface area. The crevice tool helps get into tight areas. And the round brush is great for more delicate surfaces. This vacuum has a 4.5 horsepower motor and a 6.0 gallon tank, which makes it the perfect size for homeowners, DIYers, workshops, garages, and even vehicle detailing. Who would need this? I think it's perfect for people who clean up sawdust, dirt, leaves, pet hair, garage messes, workshop debris, or even liquid spills. So for liquid spills, you would want to use this sleeve instead of the other sleeve, so you would just switch them out. And then for fine particle debris, you want to use this bag in here. But for larger debris, you can just use the filter that's already installed. So unlike regular household vacuum, this one is designed to take care of wet and dry messes. Another thing I appreciate is the reach between the 7-foot hose and the 15-foot power cord. You can cover a pretty large area without constantly unplugging and moving the vacuum around. The swivel casters also make it easy to roll wherever you need it. All right, and storage was really well thought out with this. So you already have the built-in cord wrap up here, and then you have all the built-in accessory holders. Plus, it's small enough to store without taking up much room. So I love that everything stays organized when you're done. So now let's talk about the noise level. So obviously you're not going to get a Shop-Vac that's completely silent, but this one is noticeably quieter than the traditional Shop-Vacs I've used in the past. So I'm going to turn it on for you just to demonstrate. So you can still hear me, even though obviously the Shop-Vac is going to be loud, but this is an S9 so I don't want to have you. So if you're someone who is always using a Shop-Vac, that lower noise level can definitely make a difference. Overall, I really love the style of this. I feel like they really thought out the design. Plus, who doesn't love to be organized after you're done cleaning up a mess? So if you're looking for a new Shop-Vac, you should definitely check this one out.